So this is why you should not file identity theft or go to the credit repair agency that say that they do credit sweeps or they can remove items within X amount of days. Basically like the credit sweeps, which take less than 14 days to take the accounts off the credit report. One, they're most likely doing an illegal process, and two, if you get sued, it is going to come out in court. As an example, I have this account, and I'm not going to mention any names or who the account is with because I have attorneys following me. So I'm working with this account, and when I submitted a letter to the attorneys, this is part of the response that they sent me. They said a review of, and then they included the consumer's name. A review of the consumer's name records indicates that the account was entered into the Financial Relief Program, FRP, on or about December 12, 2022. As part of the program, the consumer acknowledged and accepted liability for payment of the total outstanding balance in the account owed to the financial institution. The consumer made 5 payments while enrolled in FRP, but stopped making payments in May 2023. Prior to the successful completion of the program, subsequently thereafter, the consumer submitted 2 ACDVs alleging that they were the victim of identity theft. So this individual was not working with me. He was a referral, and whoever referred him to me ended up filing identity theft claims. So they submitted a claim through the FTC, and they basically said that that account didn't belong to them. Okay. So subsequently thereafter, the consumer submitted 2 ACDVs alleging that they were the victim of identity theft, and that account was open without their consent. However, because the consumer consensually enrolled in the FRP program and made payments from their bank account towards the account balance, there is no valid basis for the consumer identity theft claim. As a result, the reporting for the account is accurate. This was not a basis for a claim. I wasn't disputing that, but they're the ones that sent me this information. So what happens is, if you guys end up getting sued, or you're going through, whether it's litigation or it's arbitration, any information that is sent, any letters, any complaints that are sent to, whether it's the CRAs or the financial institutions, they have a copy of it. They know what you guys sent. So whatever you guys sent to them, they're going to use against you if you have to show up to court or to arbitration. I'm able to go around this because this was not a basis for my dispute. Basically, I didn't bring this up, and it has nothing to do with what I'm telling them that they did wrong. And an ACDV stands for automated basically it's a form that the CRAs send to the furnishers asking them to verify the account, and from there the furnishers are going to tell you whether the account is accurate or not based on what the dispute consists of. So don't file identity theft. Don't let consumer reporting, I'm sorry, don't let the credit repairing agencies convince you that they can legally remove items off your credit report within a short amount of time. All the information that's sent to the CRAs is going to come up if you're getting sued or if you're using any type of legal tactic to get the account resolved.